Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. For your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, Aquarius. If you want more clarity in your situation, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy, guys. So these are the cards for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, guys. So let's start with these cards for your general energies first. We have the Magician, High Priestess, and Three of Cups in reverse. So with these cards in your situation, guys, it may be in your career situation or it may be in your relationship. So you have some kind of intuition, maybe you feel really overwhelmed with some kind of inspiration guiding you, maybe something deep down in your heart is guiding you in few ways, guys. Maybe your intuition, or you feel really inspired and you are using your skills and talents in a very positive way and you feel really confident. And maybe for you may see your confidence and your positivity manifesting in your situation. So things may go in a very positive way in your work or in your relationship, and you are simply passionate about certain things in your life today. So some kind of a passionate new beginning, or it may be a choice you are making. It may be something which you love to do, some passionate choices towards some goals or aspirations you are really inclined to do, some activities maybe for some of you. So you are overwhelmed with inspiration, confidence, and brimming with positive energy today, guys, in your situation. And for some of you, I even see that if you are separated from this person you love, maybe they are coming back to you and they want to say sorry, make amends, and reconcile with you. So they cannot live without you and they have realized what you are for them, guys. They have realized your worth and they know that they cannot live without you, and they are here begging you to come back with them, and they want you to be there in their life. Forgive and forget about the past and move on. Maybe they want to be back in a relationship with you, guys. So this person may be your past person, or maybe this person is your present person. Maybe you have you had some quarrels, arguments, and they are here requesting you, trying to make amends and reconcile with you, guys, Aquarius. So let's see what is the card specific to your relationship. We have Nine of Pentacles. So with this card, I see that you have emotional satisfaction, contentment. So maybe this person is coming back and it is making you happy. Maybe you never expected this to come from them. Maybe you never expected them to say sorry, and they are here telling you sorry. So you are simply taken by surprise. So that is what I see, and you are simply happy. And the way things are going, you have that emotional satisfaction in this connection, guys. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It is Six of Swords in reverse. So with this card in your career situation, guys, you are maybe in your work situation, there may be some difficulties, maybe that you may get involved in a lawsuit or some kind of a litigation, but there are certain people who may come out with the truth. Maybe they will confess their mistakes, or the reason for such a situation, so they may reveal the truth. So that is what I see with these cards, Aquarius. If you want more clarity in your situation, you can watch the Pick a Card Love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and first crystal. This is your second card and second crystal. So whichever card you want to choose, you can first close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds about your situation, then open your eyes and choose the card. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with the first card. So this card is from the Crystal Spirits Oracle. So let's see what is the guidance. So I will keep this card aside and we will see what is the card for y'all. The first card and the crystal, the guidance, Tiger Eye. So this is your crystal guidance, guys. I hope you can see the card here. I will leave the crystal here. So this crystal stands for positive intentions. So whatever we want to manifest in our life today, let it be our career situation or let it be our relationship, when we have positive intentions, it is going to work out in a positive way, guys. And just being interested in someone does not mean that we are going towards marriage or a deep commitment. So you need not have any fear towards knowing someone you are really interested in. Just maybe asking them out or just meeting up with that person does not mean anything great. You can just know them as a friend. Maybe you are having some kind of blocks in your mind. Maybe you have something blocking you from moving towards someone you are interested in. And this crystal guidance is not only having those dreams and fantasies, some wishful thinking. It stands for action. So you can ask them out, maybe spend time with this person you are interested in. And maybe if you are optimistic, if you have positive intentions towards this connection, it may work out well for you guys, and you will not feel sorry for knowing them or going out of the way, maybe taking this first step today in this relationship, today towards this person you are interested in. So with this card, the guidance is that maybe some of you all are just worried or something is holding you back from connecting to someone you are interested in. But you need not fear. You have to let go all your fears and you can move forward and you will not regret that you took this first step, guys. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose the second card and the second crystal. So let's see what is the card. It is Blue Beard, Taboos. So for those who chose this card, guys, maybe in your situation today, you are maybe in a relationship with someone or you are having a friendship with someone, but you do not know them very well. Maybe they are hiding some secrets, and maybe if it is something small, it is not to worry, but this person may be dangerous. They want you to know only their better qualities, and they are hiding some things evil. Maybe they have evil intentions. And if you have people, your soul family, maybe your friends or family members, who are really concerned about your welfare, who are having positive intentions towards you, and you know them very well, you trust them very well, and if this person is suggesting you certain things, is advising you against this relationship or against this connection, you need to listen to it, guys, and you need to be curious about this person. Maybe if you do not have clarity about what are their intentions, you have to have curiosity, find out what is there in their mind. Maybe your curiosity may help you out of some difficult situation, guys. Maybe holding on to secrets is nothing bad, but if this relationship involves obedience or some kind of punishment, you need to take a step back, think, then make a right decision, guys, for you and for this relationship. Maybe it holds some hidden dangers. You have to be really careful, guys. So that is what I see with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.